Assalamu alaikum. Hi, dear viewers and my beloved learners. Hope you are feeling very well. And today I'm before you taking a very important issue that is spoken English. And I know you everybody wanna a very significant development in English. And for this region, I would like to give you some suggestions and instructions that may be so much helpful for your skill development. And first, I would like to exchange my views and opinions with you. My first views that I follow from my own learning and that I would follow for the development of I myself, and you can follow such techniques, and you should learn something from the common source and from the practical source and practical objects. You have a lot of things, you have a lot of objects around you or surround you, and from that object you can learn something better that can be so much helpful for your learning. And one thing I can mention before you, that you if you look something before you, you should try to translate or interpret them into English, and in this way you will be able to learn a lot of vocabs, and your inertia may be removed. And I wanna exchange another thing, that you should learn from the natural sources. And I have a great or huge idea, and many experts have already given such types of ideas, that English learning has a two process. One is natural process and another is artificial process. Artificial process is learning, and that needs a huge pressure, and that needs huge concentration. But natural process does not require any concentration, does not need any consciousness, and it's longer lasting than learning. And for this reason, I would like to request you, you should learn something from the common source, and it is implicit type of learning. And whenever you will learn something in this way, that will be longer lasting for the development of you yourselves. And first, I would like to tell you that you should be so much imaginative, and you should be so much visionary, and your visionary thinking and your imaginative thinking can take you to the climax of your spoken level. And in this way you may be a good one, and your pronunciation may be like a native speakers. And you should watch a lot of English movies. You can watch a lot of English movies, as well as the expressions of British persons or the American persons. That will be so much helpful to learn British pronunciation, British accent, or American accent. And this is my instructions today for you, and hope that much for you, that you will follow my suggestions and structure instructions, and that you that will be take you to the dream of a realistic world of your imaginative spoken English. And that's all for today.